MaestroVision introduces VEOTEK, the next-generation media intelligence system for courtrooms with a highly intuitive interface. VEOTEK integrates with MaestroVision's KeyServe audio recording software. All recordings, including the metadata information, are automatically uploaded and stored here. This application is offered in both cloud and on-premises configurations. To launch VEOTEK, double-click on the application icon. Note that from here, you can decide the language you want to use. To access your account, enter your username and password and click Connection. MaestroVision offers a user management console, allowing you to incorporate everyone authorized to access this application. To create a new user, click on the plus icon on the bottom left of the screen. Once the information is entered, select the assigned group from the existing list and press Save. Each group is assigned with specific authorizations, allowing each user to access, view, create, or modify assigned media. Once VEOTEK is on, by clicking the My Account tab, you can display the information about your account. From this screen, you can also search with either a quick or advanced search tool. Quick Search is a tool where once you enter a keyword, the application will search for it in all the fields of the database. If you're looking for a more precise search, the Advanced Search should be selected. From here, you can make a search using any criteria you choose. For example, you may be looking for all recordings of Judge David Brown after January 1st, 2021, but before December 31st, 2021, about a DUI. In this example, the system identifies 3 recordings. You can view the recordings as thumbnails or as a list by clicking on the icons on the top left of the screen. This indicates the number of recordings that were found. Here are the tools that allow you to navigate through the entire selection. You can refresh the result of your search or open the Quick Search page. The top right of the screen displays the name of the user, offers to log out of the active session, displays and downloads the instruction manual, displays the VEOTEK license information, and displays the page information. The bin on the bottom right is your personal repository of all the media you are currently working with. You may have to work with 4 or more sessions at the same time. So by putting your sessions here, you can jump from one to another with a simple click. The buttons on the bottom left are for media management. From here, you can upload a file, download a file, delete the recording, and play the recording. The Share button is an interesting feature. It allows you to share media with a specific individual. Let's say you want to share a session with a lawyer. You first need to create an account for the lawyer in the User Management Console, assign them authorizations, and then you can share the session. The lawyer will only be able to see the session that you have shared. Let's look at the media that was recorded. There's a lot of information surrounding the thumbnails. Here you can see the title indicating the case number, and under here is the duration of the media. On the top right here, you can remove this media from the search result and add it to the bin, or see a quick view of the media that opens a window with an information summary of the recording. To access, view, or modify the metadata information, click on Asset Details. Here you will find the identification fields containing all the information you entered in the KeyServe audio court recording application. This includes the case title, case number, judge's name, clerk's name, prosecutor's name, lawyer's name, and type of case. From here, it is also possible to edit the information. Let's say there's an error. The clerk's name is not Mike Smith, but Susan Dawson. We make the correction here and press the Save button. The system fields are metadata information created by the system itself. Here you will find the create date, the begin time, the duration, the end time, the last person who modified the recording details, and the last modified date. The left-hand side of the user interface displays the thumbnail of all the files related to the media, and a quick access view allows users to navigate from all media in the active search. Finally, the bottom left of the screen contains the functions that allow users to save the information entered and upload files to the system. For example, to modify the thumbnail, just click on this icon and then click on Upload Thumbnail. A window will open, allowing you to select a picture to click Open. You see on the top left of the screen the thumbnail that has been replaced. To print the information, just click on the Print button. To return to the search page, simply click on the left arrow. To play a session, you can either click on the play icon on the bottom left or double-click on the thumbnail. To start playing, simply click the play button. To get to a specific point in your recording, you can click on an annotation or click on the timeline. The right-hand side of the player displays the annotations taken during the recording of the session. You can add an annotation by clicking on the plus icon, edit an annotation by clicking on the little pencil, or delete an annotation by clicking on the X. You can export the whole or part of a session using the Sequence tab. Let's say you want to export a specific case number in a recording. To do so, click on the tab and click on the plus sign. Enter the sequence name. On the Annotation tab, set the position to the beginning of the session. Click on the Mark In button. On the Annotation tab, set the position at the beginning of the following session, which represents the end of the actual session. Click on the Mark Out button, then click on Generate. Finally, click on Download. A window will open, allowing you to search for a location to download the sequence. You can download to a DVD or flash drive. The download file will be a zip file that you can share with anyone. Click on the entry point, and the sequence will play in your default browser. You will get the same features as when we played the session in the VEOTEK application without having to log in. Thank you for watching this brief demonstration of VEOTEK, the next-generation media intelligence system for courtrooms. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-424-5505 or email us at info@maestrovision.com.